Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and on this channel, I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 200 pounds on keto and how you can also be successful. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for more videos like this one to inspire you on your keto weight loss journey. Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll show you everything I ate to maintain my weight. Yes, I did say maintain. Whoa! My weight this week eating ketogenically. If you are looking for the videos that talk about how I lost weight on keto, I have a whole slew of them. I will link a few of them right here in a playlist. Don't forget to check that out. But if you're curious as to how I've changed up my macros and my calories in order to maintain my weight on keto, this is the video you're looking for. Let's see everything I ate this week on keto. Alrighty, everyone. I'm going to a Halloween party soon, but it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon on Sunday, and I need something to eat before I die. So this is the quick food that I am grabbing before we head out. I am having a Quest bar, raspberry chocolate chip, white chocolate raspberry, 5 slices of mozzarella cheese, which is, I think, 3.5 ounces, and a keto cake from ketochaos.com. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, here we are at our pumpkin party. And I am not tracking any of this or measuring it, but I am having keto chili with sour cream and bacon bits and olives and a salad with ranch dressing. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Monday and it is noon, and I'm breaking my fast with chaffles and sausage gravy. So these chaffles are made with 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 80 grams of mozzarella cheese, and the gravy is made with 4 ounces of the Great Value sausage that's really low in fat, with 5 tablespoons of heavy cream and 2 ounces of cream cheese and some almond milk and some scallions on top. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Monday afternoon, and I am sitting here in my car for 4 hours, and I'm going to have this that I brought from home for my second meal of the day. So I have a Quest bar, some homemade pumpkin seeds, and a keto cake from ketochaos.com, and that is going to be my second meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, here I am at home, and I'm wanting to keep it simple for dinner tonight and not to worry too much about it, so I'm just having leftover chili that Dave made last night with a little bit of cheese and sour cream, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Tuesday afternoon. It is about 2:30 in the afternoon, and I am breaking my fast with my first meal of the day. Today I am having peanut butter chocolate chaffles. Yes, I did kind of overcook a couple of those, but didn't like it. Doesn't look that bad. And I made them with 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of Adams peanut butter, and each chaffle has 5 grams of Bake Believe chocolate chips and 16 grams of mozzarella cheese per chaffle. So that's like 80 grams total of cheese and 60 grams total of chocolate chips. And then I have 40 grams of center cut bacon and a cup of tea. This is peach tea with 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. I might also put on about 4 grams of the sugar-free whipped cream on top of each of these. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that yet, but if I do, I'm going to track it for sure, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it is 12:30 on Wednesday, and I am having 6 sausages, a pumpkin keto cake, and 150 grams of 2% Fage Greek yogurt with 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. Well, you can't even see it. Alrighty, everyone, it's Wednesday night. I am going to be having some of this chicken that I cooked with some banana squash and a little bacon fat. I'm going to be putting about 2.5 ounces of mozzarella cheese on top of this with a half a cup of Lucini marinara, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Halloween, and here I am at Commonwealth School. Nobody's dressed up, there's a dressed up person. And I am having Quest Chip Nachos. So these are my favorite Quest Chips. These are the chili lime Quest Chips. And on top of that, I have 2 ounces of shredded cheese and 6 ounces of ground beef that I made this morning, 2 ounces of cream cheese because I was out of sour cream, 20 grams of olives, and 4 tablespoons of Hatch Valley salsa. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Ready, everyone? It's just after 5 and I'm having my second meal of the day. It's just my regular blueberry chaffles with an ounce of cream cheese in and an ounce of cream cheese on top. And that is going to be my second meal of the day. Here's our famous dinner in a pumpkin. Yum, yum, yummy.
Mommy,
Looks awesome.
I'm getting some.
You're getting some? You excited? Looks delicious. Do you want some salt on your pumpkin? Okay. Alrighty, everyone. It's Halloween night, and we are having our famous dinner in a pumpkin. We make this right inside the pumpkin and cook it in the oven. It has hamburger and mushrooms, coconut aminos, or like, well, yeah, something like that. Soy sauce type coconut amino things. And watered chestnuts. And then I'm having a chocolate keto cake from keepingitkettocakes.com. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone. It's Friday afternoon. It's 2:30 in the afternoon, and I'm breaking my fast with my first meal of the day. Today, I decided to do a play on Navajo tacos. So I have a regular mozzarella cheese and egg chaffles. I used about 65 grams of mozzarella cheese and 2 eggs to make these. And then on top, I have 2 ounces of Mexican blend cheese. I have 2 ounces of cream cheese that I kind of like spread on top of the actual chaffles because I didn't have any sour cream left. And I put on 4 tablespoons of salsa and 20 grams of olive and 10 grams of onion. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone. Second meal of the day is 4 ounces of Colby Jack cheese and a Quest cookie. And that is going to be everything I'm eating for the second meal of the day. Hey, everyone. It is Friday night, and I am here at R&R Barbecue. I'm having 6 buffalo wings and a side salad with ranch, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone. Here I am at a dance competition, and I have a pretty sorry-looking group. This is all I had in my house to take. This morning I didn't have time for chaffles or anything. So I'm having Quest protein chips, some mozzarella cheese, paleo thin chocolate, and a keto thin cookie. That is going to be my first meal of the day. Just a heads up, the Julian Bakery protein cookies are disgusting. Really gross. Alrighty, everyone, it's about 5 o'clock in the evening, and I am having my second meal of the day. I'm having lemon blueberry cream cheese chaffles with a Quest bar peanut butter smash brownie smash, and that is going to be my second meal of the day. Well, there you have it. Everything I ate this week to maintain my weight on a ketogenic way of eating. As you can see, it was a little bit of a crazy week, especially that last video where I didn't eat anything but keto crap. But you know what? Sometimes that happens. We were at a dance competition, and sometimes that happens. And you know what? Isn't it beautiful that we have all of these products that we can choose from, that we can use or not use? We can choose to not use. I will say I did not enjoy the Julian Bakery cookie. I think I put a clip of that in, but I will tell you, it was really bad. Like, so bad. It was so bad. Just don't ever buy that. Sorry, Julian Bakery. I love you guys. Their sweet cream bars are divine, but these cookies need to be redone. They are so bad. And the chocolate was just okay. It wasn't very sweet, so I don't highly recommend that either, especially when you can get Lily milk chocolate and it tastes so much better. But I did have to say that the cookies had 300 milligrams of potassium in them, so I'll give you a thumbs up for that, Julian Bakery, but that's about it. All right, so if you're looking for more information on how you can get started on a ketogenic way of eating, don't forget to check out our Facebook group in the About section below. We have a getting started guide that will help you get started on a protein-centric keto way of eating that is set to maintain lean mass while promoting fat loss. It's the best way to lose weight on keto. If you don't have Facebook, you can send me an email to ketochaos@gmail.com, and I will send you my getting started guide completely free of charge, because that's what I do. And hopefully you guys will also be successful on your own keto weight loss journey. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you all again soon.